TLC voice-based email is a great way to send regular emails to friends, family, grandparents, aging loved ones, or anybody who doesn't use or doesn't have a computer but does have a regular phone. Creating an account at TLC is really straightforward. Simply add an email address and a password. Of course, the email address has to be real, and select Create an Account Now. Okay, as soon as you've done that, you can log in. Let's get rid of these signs and set up to become a subscriber. The other options are to do with other TLC services, which you can explore at any time you like. So add your first name and second name and how you'd like to be addressed within the system. A telephone number, very important to make it an international telephone number. Because the system works all over the world. Your email address is automatically put in. You really don't need any details about address and so on, but you do need the country code. And you do need your time zone. All right. Now, as soon as you create your subscriber account, get access to everything in TLC, but the only thing we're really concerned about is setting up the voice email system. And to do that, we need to go to Manage My Care Receivers, and you add the name and details of the people that you want to be able to send voice-based emails to, one person at a time, and up to 5 people. So let's put in Jim. And the nickname is Jim. Need to add their telephone number, and again it has to be the international one. Select which voice you want the messages to be read to them in, a woman, Callie, or the man, William. Give this person a PIN number so that they're able to pick up messages that they may have missed, and then set the beginning of the time that they are not going to be able to receive messages from you. In this case, 8 o'clock, and I'm going to say they can start receiving messages at 7 in the morning. So at the moment, that means that between 8 o'clock at night and 7 o'clock the next morning, they can't receive any messages from me. It doesn't affect the rest of their telephone services at all, but from me, any messages I send in the middle of the night, because I may just feel inspired to do so, don't get delivered until after 7 o'clock in the morning. You need to put their country code in and their time zone. And as soon as you click on Create this Care Receiver's profile, this person is going to receive a telephone call from TLC to check that they are the real person and they want to receive this service that you've set up. So you need to let them know and ask them to select Accept, so that the system will then continue to send them messages. So we create this, and it will send that message. Right. So the only other thing to do in terms of setting them up is to add email addresses from whom they can receive messages. So I'm going to put in Kim's name and her email address. It's already down there, look. And add that address. You can add any number of addresses and you can see them in the whitelist. This is important. This means that only the people that you list will be able to send them emails, or more importantly, Jim will only be able to receive emails from these people and not spam calls and so on. So last thing indeed, is to select your subscription. As soon as you've gone through the process of payment, you'll be able to start sending emails straight away. And when Jim receives a voice-based email from you, he can reply by voice, and his voice message comes back to your inbox as an audio file. You can click on it and listen to it. And so you can have a message chain in that way.